Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to log out WhatsApp from all devices. Friends, for security reasons, if you want to log out your WhatsApp from other devices, then you simply need to open your WhatsApp app. Now in your WhatsApp app, you need to press on the three dots. Now here press on linked devices. Now as you can see right now, I am linked to two devices. So to log out from these devices, I simply need to select the device and here I need to press on Logout. Like this, I need to do on other device. Press on the device name and here press on Logout. Now friends, as you can see, I have logged out my WhatsApp from all devices. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.